everyone, welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear student, in last class we had discussed about the topic criteria for similarity of triangles of chapter 6 triangles. Today I am going to proceed exercise 6.3 with question number 9. Firstly, let's quickly recap what we have done in previous day. Dear students, some of the important points related to this chapter explained in previous class, such as Thales theorem, our BPT, basic proportionality theorem, converse of BPT, criteria of triangles, angle, corollary of angle is angle, and side, and side angle, side. Mainly 4 criteria of similarity of triangles. So dear students, now I am going to start question number 9 of exercise 6.3. Your question 9 is, in given figure ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angle at B and M respectively. So prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP and CA by PA equal to BC by MP. So dear students, in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC equal to angle AMP equal to 90 degree given, and angle BAC, this angle is equal to angle PAM, common angles. So triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP by angle similarity. Now proved first. Now in triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP, proved in this first. So by criteria of similarity triangles, CA by PA equal to BC by MP, proved in second. So dear student, your solution of this question is such as, first you compare two triangles ABC and AMP. ABC equal to AMP equal to 90 degree and angle A equal to A common. So both triangles are similar by angle. So both triangles are similar. Now ABC similar to AMP by criteria of similarity of triangle CA by PA equal to BC by MP. And next question is, question number 13 is, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to BAC. ADC equal to BAC. So that CA square equal to CB into CD. In triangle ABC and DAC, ABC and DAC, angle ADC, our BAC equal to ADC, a given BAC, this angle equal to ADC given, and angle BCA equal to DCA, our AC, DCA common. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DAC by angle similarity. Therefore, AB by DA equal to BC by AC equal to CA by CD for criteria of unity triangle. So therefore BC by AC equal to CA by BC by AC equal to CA by CD by cross multiplication CA into CA square and BC into CD, BC into CD. Hence CA square equal to CB into CD. Proved. Yes, friends, here given BAC equal to ADC and this angle is common. So both triangles are similar and criteria of unity triangle CA square equal to CB into CD. And next question is yes friends, next question number 15 is a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Dear student, let AB be the vertical pole and AC be its shadow, and also let DE be a vertical tower and DF be its shadow. Then join BC and EF. Now in triangle, let DE be X meter. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle BAC equal to EDF equal to 90 degree vertical angle perpendicular, and angle ACB equal to DFE which because each angular angles of elevation of sun, of each angular angle of elevation of sun, of so dear student, therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by angle similarity. Therefore AB by DE equal to AC by DF. Our vertical pole is 6 meter. This is 6 meter. So AB by DE, AB equal to 6 by X equal to AC 4 by 28. Our 4x equal to 6 into 28. Therefore x equal to 6 into 28 by 4 7 ja 28 or 7 4 ja 32 meter. So dear students, so height of the tower, hence height of tower B, hence height of tower is 42 meter. This is your answer. Dear students, your question 15 and some of the questions left by me of this exercise. So you solve it self. If any problem, you ask me through WhatsApp. And today's class is over and your homework is do exercise 6.3. Thanks, have a nice day.